Nobody wants to be on the side of the road broke down. That's why you should always maintain your car. Keeping your car maintained will help you to get better mileage and also go further without between repairs. This is a free car maintenance by CARFAX. Yes, that's CARFAX, the app that helps you also to find a new car. This will help you with scheduled maintenance and oil changes, rotations, and such as like that. Let's open up and take a look at it. So once you register and you add your car, you can click onto it to get some more details. Now, this is just a simple breakdown right here. This is actually my wife's car. One of the things is due for oil change. You click on the oil change. Actually, this is overdue. Actually, this is not quite right. I actually have changed my oil since then, but I did it myself. I didn't take it. I took it to a oil change place, Take 5, earlier in the year, last year, than I did it myself. So in order to change it, you're going to click on here and you want to add it, oil change. Well, you want to add oil change record. So you want to check on here which all things that you did. Just to take a time, just want to do the oil change and filter. And you want to check the date. So this was actually done back last year. And then you can say, if you want to go to find out where it was done, you can find a shop, or you say DIY, which I did yourself, which I did. And you can add this record. So now it's everything that's in the clear now. So like I said, go back here and I can get a quick snapshot of everything that's due and intervals that are. So when it comes to registration, I got 6 more months, safety inspection, which is 7 months, and vehicle emission inspection, which is also 7 months. So also, when there's something like here that's open, that's tire rotation record, there's no service record of that. You can do the same thing, and you can add a record in. Go back to the approximate date. I'm gonna go back to add this record. So it's still overdue. So that's another thing I'm gonna have to do pretty soon in order to get this corrected. So you also can go here to your service history, and it's like I said, this will give you a quick breakdown of everything that you've done on the vehicle, so that if you have any questions on when it was done, you can go back here. You can get approximate mileage and the date that it was done. And like I said, I took these to the cool thing about it, it has the public records of where you took it to. If you took it to a shop, and it can show you at what miles it was done, and also what service was done at that particular time. And speaking about shops, this keeps a record of the shops that you've been at, and you can also pick a favorite here. Since I do a lot of work myself, I've recently just started doing my own oil changes again, so I had actually been to a shop. But if you need help finding one, you just click on Find Shops. Just click on the top search engine to be brought to the map where you can find a shop in your area. You can research it and find out if it's worth taking your car there and have it repaired. So tell me think about this app. It's a free app for maintenance, repair schedules, and also just a vehicle history repair. So and it's by the makers of CARFAX. So it's a pretty reliable app. Tell me what you think about this app, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you already have it. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.